what are we making today?
Well, Miss Lily, we're gonna make 3D construction paper garden bugs. And we're gonna be using Aleene's Tacky glue.
Yay, Tacky glue!
That's right, and we got some other stuff here. What do we got? Eyeballs, construction paper.
Construction paper, pencil, scissors.
Cup cleaners.
Yeah,
All right.
cup cleaners.
Are you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah, it's time to make a caterpillar.
These turned out so cute. Lily, did you like this craft?
Yeah.
I love how easy it is for Aleene's Tacky glue when you're crafting with kids because it dries clear, it's non-toxic. You can head to Aleene's website or pick it up at your local craft store. All right, Lily, did you have fun today? High five, girlfriend. Good job.